Some areas have gotten over a foot of snow right now. One area with 14 inches already on the ground.
Naomi Ruchim standing by in Duncan Hill, Staten Island right now. We knew Staten Island was going to get hard. 14 inches of snow. That's no joke.
Oh, yeah, they did not undersell this one. It is definitely coming down hard, although the wind, at least in this brief moment, has lightened up just a tad. But the flakes, if you can see, are definitely chunkier. They're like those chunky, fun flakes that hopefully mean now that all these kids are out of school, maybe there'll be some sledding once the travel ban is lifted. We've been talking a lot about our parents this morning, especially about our moms, but I want to introduce you to a man I just met, and I'd like to call him the dad of the year. His name is John. He's outside this bodega with us. I said, what are you doing out here? John, why are you out here?
I'm just up a little bit early to take my daughter to work. She's a nurse in Brooklyn on Fort Hamilton Parkway, so I told her if you have to go in, I'll take you in over the bridge and get you there in time. So,
gosh, I mean, those.
I've been here for coffee for her now. So
those essential workers, that's what we've been talking about, the people who really need to be on the roads. And John, you are taking care of getting those essential workers to where they need to go and getting her coffee?
Yes. It's like a ritual when she comes over the house, you know, before work sometimes. So I just stop at the store, pick up a nice cup of coffee, and she's on her way.
Well, we wish her a good shift and a safe drive to you. How long have you lived in Staten Island?
My whole life, over 70 years.
Anything like this, ever seen it before?
I've been through a few because I was an officer with the sanitation department since 1979 up until 2002. So I've been through a few of them, so I understand what's going on out there.
Well, John, thank you so much, and thanks for taking your daughter. Those essential workers, like I mentioned, are really crucial in moments like these. Chris and Mary, the snow is definitely still coming down, but like I said, we're still kind of in that little bit of a lull. There are plows, we can hear them coming up, but again, it's just more snow on top of more snow, and so they're really struggling to get a handle on getting down underneath it to clear off the roads, but they have a lot of work to do.
Okay, Naomi, thank you. A lot of girl dads out there making sure that if their daughters are essential workers, getting them to work.
How about that, too? He has the experience, all those years with sanitation. So, wow, kudos to him.
Honey, drive safely. I'll get the coffee. We'll get you to work. No problem.
Wonderful.